Invisible Solutions is the world's best provider of integration between enterprise and personal. Nowadays, embedding your solution within personal user tools is a must. Should you drive your sales automation, or marketing automation, or ERP, or document management, or any other kind of enterprise automation, your users are also using Office tools such as Microsoft Outlook or IBM Lotus Notes, Gmail, or Office 365, and these two worlds should be tightly connected. Some companies try to do it themselves, but it is long, expensive, and distracts key people from their core focus. It requires specific expertise and later demands resources to support it and keep up with new versions. In other words, internal cost of ownership of such integrations and time needed to invest could be painfully substantial. But now there is a solution. Focus on the main thing in your business and delegate integration with personal tools to professionals.
How it works? Really easy, as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, it's your API. We need your API to be able to talk to your system. Number 3, it's actually the environments we talk to. Should it be Gmail or Outlook or Office 365? And number 2 in the middle, it's our technology. That's how do we connect those two. So we built a connector covering all the use cases we need to automate. This is it.
For the last 10 years, we've had experience of helping ISVs of any size. We are successful with small and growing companies, and also recognized by giants like Oracle, SAP, and Microsoft, totaling over 50 joint products. Rely on us and you will save time and money.
When it comes to integration between enterprise and personal, don't do it yourself. Leave it on us. You're going to be always on top of a trend. It's going to be less expensive and faster to market. It's going to increase user adoption. And altogether, it's going to bring more happy users.
Contact us.